Hindi yung pagagawa ko sa iyo. Ang anatomic time method kasi is oras ang binibilang. Kaya ang pagagawa ko sa inyo is yung counted brush stroke. Counted brush stroke meaning you have to count every stroke. Now, first is you have to make a cone with your fingers, and then you apply how many strokes? How many? Kalimutan ko na rin. 30, 20. 30. 30 strokes. Okay? 30. Pwedeng ganyan. Okay? Pero mas maganda ganun. Brush away from yourself. Otherwise, pag ginaganyan mo, tumitilamsik pabalik. Okay? Maya't maya, sabon-sabon na yung scrubs ninyo. So, ganyan. So, 30. Okay? And then, you divide your hands into 4 planes. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. In each plane, you are to apply 20 strokes. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 20, 20, 20. Ito, basta, itong plane na ito, 20 lahat. Ito, 20, 20, 20. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Tapos, then, proceed to your forearms. Divide this again into 4 planes, and then apply 20 strokes each. 20, 20, 20, 20.